Oh my gosh, guys, check this out. Okay, so I was weeding beside the house and I found this, which is a, a cicada, and it was trying to. Oh, my fingers are dirty. You can tell I was weeding. It was trying to get out of its body. There's its new body. Oh, come on, focus. It didn't make it out of the old body for some reason. There's bugs on it. I'm going to take it back outside. And maggots. Ooh, gross. Okay, but anyway, yeah, it's like the alien trying to break free but dying in mid break. I don't know what caused it. Who knows? It's hard to tell these days. All right, bye.